Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of maths. Children, as you all know that we are practicing 7th and 8th chapter for periodic assessment 2 and we have completed 7th chapter. Now we are starting 8th chapter, that is division. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. So what is equal sharing? Dividing a number into smaller and equal groups is called equal sharing. Suppose I have 2 toffees with me and I have to give it to 2 students. So what I have to do? I should give one toffee to each student. So this is called equal sharing. Dividing a number into smaller and equal groups is called equal sharing. What is equal grouping? Collecting or arranging small numbers to make a large number is called equal grouping. So look at here, this first vase we have put 6 flowers in one flower vase. Then after that 6 more flowers in another flower vase. Again 6 more flowers in the third flower vase and 6 more flowers in fourth flower vase and more 6 flowers in fifth flower vase. So for putting 30 flowers we need 6 flower vases. Okay, so this is equal grouping. Division activity. So I have 6 biscuits. Mommy asked me to share them equally with my sister. So let me make 2 equal sets. I have 6 biscuits with me. So my sister gets 3 biscuits and I also get 3 biscuits. I have 6 biscuits with me and my mother told me to share them equally with my sister also. So my sister is getting 3 biscuits and I am also getting 3 biscuits. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Or how you have to write 6, the sign of division, divided by 2. It is known as divided. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3, where this is the sign of division. This is the sign of division. And children, the number to be divided is called dividend. See, this is to be divided, no? So it is called dividend here. And the number by which we divide is called the divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. And the answer we get after division is called the quotient. The answer we get after division is called the quotient. Whatever the answer you will get now after division, that is called quotient. Exercise 8.1 we are starting. Divide 8 balloons among 4 children. We have to divide 8 balloons among 4. So in fourth table 8 comes in second place. So each child will get 2 balloons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, equal balloons we have divided among 4 children, that is 2, 2, 2 and 2. Divide 12 pencils among 3 girls. Children, in which place 12 come in 3's table? So 3 4s are 12. So 4 pencils should come to each girl. So we have to divide group of 4 for one girl. 1, 2, 3. So we have divided equal pencils to each girl, that is 4, 4 and 4. So in the same way you have to do third, fourth and fifth. Division as a repeated subtraction. Share 24 sweets among 4 children equally. Children, here we have to share 24 sweets among 4 children. So what you have to do? 24 minus 4. First, we are giving 4 sweets to one child. So from 24 we are giving 4 sweets. So 24 minus 4 is 20. To first child we have given. Then from these 20 sweets again we are giving 4 to one more child. 20 minus 4 is 16. So 2 childs we have given. From 16 again we are giving 4 sweets. So 12 we are getting. And again from 12 sweets we are giving 4 more. So 8 we are getting. Then again from 8 sweets we are giving 4 more to another child. That is 5th child. Then from this 4 we are giving 4 to the 6th child. That means how many times 4 was subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So each child got 6 sweets. Each child got 6 sweets. Division on a number line through repeated subtraction. Divide 15 by 5. Divide 15 by 5. That means you have to take 5, group of 5, 3 times you have to take. So start from 15. We are doing subtraction, children. So we should go to our left side. So start from 15. Take backward jumps of 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one backward jump we have taken. Then after that again you have to go till the 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5, second step we have taken. Then again set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many jumps you have taken, children? 1, 2, 3. So we make 3 jumps of 5. That is 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. So children, in the same way you have to practice exercise 8.2. Okay. Next, multiplication and division facts. This is multiplication fact. See, look at the symbol here. It is multiplication. So 5 3s are 15. Division facts. So the sign of division is here. 15 divided by 3 is 5, or 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. This is division fact and this is multiplication fact. Now you have to write the multiplication facts and also division facts. 2 6 are 12. Here 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2, or 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. See, we are changing this. If we divide 12 by 6, we get 2. If we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. It is division fact and it is multiplication fact. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Next, division by 1. Children, always remember, any number divided by 1 gives the same number. Any number which is divided by 1 gives the same number. Okay. Any number which is divided by 1 gives the same number. And division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 is not possible. When the number 0 divided by any number, the answer is always 0 only. So you have to practice till page number 105. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.